Earth is the third planet in the solar system where a lot of creatures live. They have coexisted together from prehistoric times and have been in harmony with their habitats. However, over the last few centuries, people began to break the balance of the ecosystem and prevented animals and plants from living stably. This basically stems from mankind's strong desire to live conveniently. While satisfying our appetite, we have damaged our surroundings, which has affected both the species and ourselves negatively. One of the effects is global warming. For example, the Earth's average temperature has risen 0.74 degrees Celsius in the 20th century. Shockingly, it was researched that if the temperature increased by 1 degree Celsius, 30% of species would be endangered. So why is this serious phenomenon happening? It essentially derives from the greenhouse effect. What is the greenhouse effect? It is a phenomenon which the Earth's heat that should be emitted out of space is trapped in the atmosphere by the greenhouse gases and rising temperatures. There are many ways that those gases such as methane and carbon dioxide are released. First, many technologies have polluted the environment. Since the Industrial Revolution, people have used cars and fossil fuels to move from place to place easily. Fossil fuels like oil and natural gas release many harmful gases which increase the temperature when burned. Additionally, deforestation of the Amazon rainforest, promoted by the development of technologies, makes the air full of greenhouse gases. Moreover, as the world population constantly rises, the amount of waste is also augmented. This waste is burned and causes air pollution. To add, smoke and wastewater released from many factories kills lots of species. Smoke contributes to the rise of the temperature and the melting of glaciers. Surprisingly, 80% of ice caps in Mount Kilimanjaro melted in the last century. These are the causes of the Earth's environmental problems in its current condition. Now, what should we do to prevent this problem? First, we should try to use public transportation rather than cars because they are one of the main reasons that global warming occurs. Also, we have to use the amount of water that you only need. It is because a lot of energy is required when disposing wastewater. There are many things that companies can do to protect the Earth. They should install purifiers so that the environment is not exposed to harmful materials. They also have to consume as little energy as possible to reduce the amount of exhaust gas. We have discussed why Earth is in serious trouble and ways to cure it by lowering its temperature. It is our obligation to protect the Earth and make it healthy, considering all creatures. Now, what are you going to do to save the planet?